Hi dresser cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Gwen Stacy from SpiderMan across the SpiderVerse. So let's get started. To draw cute Gwen, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So we're going to come right here and draw a circle. And hopefully you're using a pencil at home, because it would help a lot if you do, so that you can erase. Because I'm going to come right across and draw the other eye about right here. But I'm not going to draw the whole eye because there's hair that's covering part of it. So I'm going to come right here and try my best to draw a circle, but not the complete circle. So about right here, stop right about there for now. So if you're using a pencil, please just go ahead and finish the circle. Then let's come back right here. Let's just get in all the elements first. I'm going to come back right here and about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw the bottom of a U to frame her face. So I'm going to come right across. And you know what? I'm sorry, I totally forgot since it's not in order. I forgot to draw the mouth. So let's come in between the eyes about right here, so I kind of know where to put my chin. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve and cap it off. Then from there, let's go ahead and my center, I'll say about right here, kind of imagining where I want her chin. And I'm going to go ahead and draw the bottom of a U towards my point. There. And then I'm going to do the same thing going up. Just imagine the other side. If I have this eye, and then mine will be about right here. So it's easier if you're using a pencil, then you can erase. But I'm going to stop everything about right there. And then from there, let's go ahead. I'm going to draw her brow. So I'm going to come up and just do a slight angle. I'll thicken it up a little bit. Right about there. And so then let's see here, I'm going to bring this up a little bit more towards her brow. Then from there I can go ahead and start her hair. So in this space right here, now that I have this, I'm going to draw two little strands. I'm going to go up a little bit, bring in a strand close to her brow, one and another one, and then I'm going to just kind of imagine an oval. So let's see here, let's go up, and we're going to part her hair a little bit off center. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And I'm just going to use this as my guide. I'm going to come down with a curve to finish these two strands. And just bring it in. So you're just kind of imagining an oval for her head. So about right there. Now the very important strand of hair that's causing all this trouble, I'm going to come right here and we're going to curve. So we're going to curve down. So her brow, her other brow is about right here. So a little indication kind of where it is so I know. And then I'm going to go around. Bring it around her eye. And curve. And one big curve there. Okay, something like that. So you just want this strand to be really close to her eye. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and finish this brow, whatever space you have, and now we can go ahead and finish our circle for our eye as well. Okay, so then now, and we can go ahead and finish her face. So now let's go back in, and I'm going to make these draw so cute eyes. So put in two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So hopefully I helped you draw her face here. I know it's a little bit different because we do have to draw the hair and lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, and then let's spruce up her eyes and come to the sides right here. I'm just going to put in maybe two lashes. Nice and simple. Thicken them up. And you know what? I know you can't really, you're not supposed to see it, but let's just put them in because this is a cartoon, right? Okay, so now we have the 2 lashes right there. Then, very important, let's come back to where the eye is, and about right here, I'm going to draw her ear. Right there, and I'll draw in 2 curves for some detail. And let's come back about right here where this strand is, and we're going to bring out a curve. And in this area, we're going to draw a slight curve. So a very important part of her hairstyle, right? One side, there's nothing, and then this side is long. So let's come back, and with this curve, we're going to bring it up. Kind of curve to about right here. Poof this out, and we're going to bring this down. And let's just add a strand right here to break it up. And then continue this. Then on this side, let's go up. And this is the long side, so we're going to bring this down. And about right, bring it down a little bit more. But right there, we can start to wobble a little bit. But let's do that, all that later. Let's finish her outfit first. So let's come back to the center, and we're going to give her a little neck. So about right here. So I decided to put her in her costume rather than her just a regular street clothes. So let's say about right there we have a little neck, and then let's see, we have to draw the hoodie. So let's come about right here and draw a curve on both sides. And then let's kind of cut this off right here. Then from there, we're going to come around into this space and draw another curve that comes in. Same thing here. And it looks a little bit weird. And then using this curve right here, we're just going to wobble a little bit. And once again, bring it in. Wobble. And bring it in. There. Okay, so then from there, we're still coming down, so her shoulders. So about right here and here. So bringing her shoulders down. Then let's imagine kind of her armpit area would be about right here and here. And I'm going to draw an angle line and an angle line. There. So if you're using a pencil, you can always just draw her neck and then put in her shoulders, and then you can draw this hoodie stuff over it if that helps. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead, bring this down a little bit more for her waist. And then about right there, I'm going to pop this out for her hips. So I'm going to come out for her hips. And then I'm kind of come about right here. Just imagine where you want her legs to start. So about right here in the center, I'm just going to draw a slight angle line. And then we're going to put in 2 angles coming from the center. From there, let's go ahead and we're just going to bring down her legs. I'm going to work on this side first. So I'm just going to go all the way down, getting thinner as I go. So just take a look how long you want to make her legs. Let's keep going. About right here, I'm going to come out on this side for her shoes. And this is going to continue down and round it off, just to simplify it. And so same thing on this side. And same thing here, just bring this down. And once again, curve it out. Angle this out just like the other side. And connect. There. And then for some details, you can come in here, curve, and in, and then the straps. And I think there's one more here. So same thing here. There. Okay, so I got her feet in, and then from there, let's draw her arms. So I'm going to have her arms come below this area about right here. So let's bring this down, gonna angle a little bit, and then come down to about right there. Let's just follow the curve you created. About right here will be her elbow, and then bring it in, and then her hands. So a thumb, and then we're going to go around to create her fingers and angle. So same thing here. Come out, come towards her body. About right there, same area, about right here for a thumb. Follow your curve. Elbow, and then bring it in. So round, around, and angle, and up. There. So now that we have that, let's draw in the details. So pop this up a little bit, and we're going to come in and draw her costume. So maybe it's a little bit easier. I'm going to come down real low in the center, about right there, and I'm going to create this V. Just so I know I'm very centered, and I'm going to come up right here with this angle and bring it in. So same thing here, and bring it in. There. And then right on her waist, I'm going to create this sharp shape right here for her waist. Same thing on the other side. Right there, and then gloves. So let's break it up about right here, and same thing here. And let's see, oh, and then her hair, of course. Like, what are we missing? So about right here, I'm gonna just kind of wobble a little bit more, and I'll end it about right here with some strands. And in. And then for some details, this one important strand right here, let's just thicken it up. There. And then you come in here with some parting lines if you like. And maybe some lines here as well for some detail. There, and that is pretty much it. Let's see here. I'm just going to add a very tiny little heart right here to make her my jaw so cute, Gwen Stacy from Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. I really hope you love how she turned out, and I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.